before you and I, before the Milky Way, before galaxies, stars, atoms, or even the fabric of space itself. There was a moment so mysterious that even the greatest minds in science struggle to describe it. What existed before the Big Bang? A question so powerful. It challenges the very existence of time, reality, and creation itself. Today we dive into the deepest mystery of all, a journey to the edge of existence and beyond. To understand what existed before the Big Bang, we first need to understand what the Big Bang actually was, not the explosion people imagine, but the rapid expansion of space from a point of infinite density. The universe didn't explode into space. Space itself exploded outward. Time wasn't ticking. Time was created in that instant. And that leads us to the first shocking truth. If time began at the Big Bang, does the question before even make sense? According to Einstein's equations, time and space are inseparable. If space didn't exist before the Big Bang, time didn't either. Meaning before the universe is like asking what's north of the North Pole. It's not forbidden. It's just meaningless. But scientists don't accept simple answers, and neither should we. What if time didn't start at the Big Bang? What if something existed, waiting, preparing, before everything we call reality appeared? Theory 1. The quantum vacuum. Not empty, not dark, not silent. A boiling ocean of energy, invisible, chaotic, unpredictable. In this view, before the Big Bang, there existed a field with endless quantum fluctuations. One fluctuation grew too powerful, too energetic, and in a moment, smaller than a fraction of a second, our universe inflated out of it. Meaning the universe came from nothing, but not the philosophical nothing. A quantum nothing, a nothing full of possibility. But here's where things get strange. If fluctuations can create one universe, why not millions? Why not trillions? Theory 2. The eternal inflation multiverse. Imagine a cosmic foam of infinite universes, each one born from expanding pockets of energy. Our universe is just one bubble, floating in a never-ending sea of creation. Before our bubble formed, other bubbles existed. After our bubble dies, others will take its place. In this model, there was no before the Big Bang. There were countless universes, endlessly forming. Meaning, the Big Bang wasn't the beginning. It was just our beginning. The Big Bounce. A breathtaking idea. What if the universe never truly began and never truly ends? What if everything cycles? Expansion, collapse. Expansion, collapse. Over and over. Forever. In this scenario, before our Big Bang, there was another universe. A universe that lived, evolved, expanded, and eventually collapsed. When it shrank into an extremely dense point, a new Big Bang occurred. A new universe emerged. A new cycle began. And we, humanity, are just one chapter in an infinite cosmic history. Theory 4. The pre-Big Bang string theory landscape. String theory suggests that the universe is made of tiny, vibrating strings. But more importantly, it opens the door to extra dimensions. 11 dimensions, in fact. Most hidden, curled up. Invisible. In this theory, our universe exists on a brane. A cosmic membrane floating in a higher dimensional reality. Before the Big Bang, another brane may have collided with ours. The impact released unimaginable energy and created the universe. In this model, the Big Bang wasn't creation. It was a collision. But what if none of these answers satisfy you? What if the truth is even stranger? Theory 5. The timeless state. Before the universe, there was no time, no space, no matter. Only a pure, timeless state. A frozen, eternal nothing that wasn't really nothing. A mathematical existence. A reality beyond time. When the Big Bang occurred, this timeless state unfroze, evolving into the time and space we know. Meaning, before the Big Bang, there was existence, but not as we understand it. Theory 6. The universe from pure mathematics. Some physicists believe the universe is a mathematical structure. Numbers, rules, and patterns. If this is true, the universe didn't need a beginning. It simply exists eternally as a mathematical truth. Just like the number 1 has always existed, even before humans discovered it. In this view, before the Big Bang, there was the blueprint of reality, waiting to express itself through energy and matter. And then, there's the boldest idea of all. Theory 7. Creation from absolute nothing. Not quantum fields. Not cycles. Not other universes. Truly nothing. A state with no laws, no physics, no dimensions. And yet, from this absolute nothing, a universe emerged. But how? Why? What caused the spark? Some theories say randomness. Some say quantum chance. Some say reality must exist. And some believe a cause outside the laws of physics triggered the beginning. The truth is this. We don't know what existed before the Big Bang. Maybe time had no beginning. Maybe universes existed before ours. Maybe creation is endless. Or maybe the real truth is beyond human imagination. But one thing is certain. The Big Bang was not the beginning of everything. It was the beginning of us. Our universe. Our story. Our place in the cosmic ocean. And the question, what existed before the Big Bang, may be the greatest mystery we will ever ask.